Imagine this. You're running late for a meeting, hands full, trying to manage emails, text a colleague, and turn off the lights all at the same time. Wouldn't it be amazing if a virtual assistant could handle these tasks for you, hands-free, seamlessly? Welcome to the world of voice assistants, where technology makes our daily lives simpler, more organized, and even smarter. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 leading virtual assistants of 2024. Each one has unique features and capabilities designed to elevate our everyday routines. So, if you're ready to see which one could best meet your needs, stay tuned. Let's kick off with Samsung Bixby, a sophisticated virtual assistant made for Samsung devices. Since its launch in 2017, Bixby has evolved remarkably. Designed for hands-free control, Bixby's Voice Wake Up feature allows users to activate it simply by speaking without even touching their device. This comes in especially handy when you're driving or cooking. Now, what makes Bixby stand out? Samsung has incorporated advanced language recognition, so Bixby understands complex and nuanced commands. Imagine needing to send a message, set a reminder, or even control your smart home devices. All while on the go, Bixby's got you covered. Through Samsung's SmartThings platform, Bixby connects to various smart home devices, giving users control over their entire environment through just a few voice commands. But here's the real game changer. Bixby isn't just about basic tasks. It's one of the few virtual assistants that can handle multi-step tasks without needing separate instructions for each step. For instance, you could say, "Bixby, remind me to call Mom when I get home," and it'll use location data to prompt you at the right time. Samsung continues to refine Bixby, enhancing its real-time assistance capabilities with proprietary AI models. The result? An intuitive assistant that's always learning and improving, making it a great choice for Samsung users looking for an integrated, intelligent experience. Next, we have Microsoft Cortana. Launched in 2014, Cortana initially captured attention as an AI-based virtual assistant on Windows devices, quickly expanding to other platforms. Cortana's main strengths lie in its productivity-focused features, especially for business users. Cortana is designed to help you stay on top of tasks like scheduling meetings, managing your calendar, and even answering questions using Microsoft's Bing search engine. What's interesting about Cortana is its seamless integration with Microsoft Office tools, making it incredibly useful for people who rely heavily on Microsoft's ecosystem. Need to set up a reminder for a Teams meeting? Cortana does it with ease. However, Microsoft has taken a unique approach to Cortana's role in recent years. As of late 2023, the standalone Cortana app has been discontinued. This shift marks Microsoft's focus on incorporating Cortana more into enterprise applications. For instance, within Office 365, Cortana can assist with tasks like drafting emails, scheduling, and summarizing information from your documents, tailored especially for the modern workplace. For users who prioritize productivity in a business setting, Cortana still holds a valuable place. Though no longer a standalone mobile app, Cortana's refined focus ensures that it remains a powerful tool for those within the Microsoft ecosystem, continuously enhancing productivity and organization. Moving to the iconic Apple Siri. Siri was first introduced back in 2011 with the iPhone 4 Siemens, and since then, it's become a staple for Apple users around the globe. Siri is well known for its accessibility, available on iPhones, iPads, Macs, and even Apple HomePods. Siri's journey has been marked by consistent upgrades and AI-powered enhancements that allow it to understand and respond to increasingly complex commands. This evolution has led to capabilities like making calls, sending messages, setting alarms, and even controlling smart home devices, all through voice commands. Siri's hands-free mode, Hey Siri, allows users to engage without lifting a finger, making it ideal for those times when you're occupied. One of Siri's strengths is its exceptional integration within the Apple ecosystem. It works seamlessly with Apple's core apps, meaning you can quickly send a message, check your calendar, or get directions, all optimized for Apple's commitment to user privacy. Recent updates have made Siri smarter, with improved context awareness, so it can handle multiple commands in a single session. Siri may not have as many customization options as other assistants, but for Apple loyalists, it remains a trusted companion. Its security-focused design and intuitive functionality make it an ideal choice for those who prioritize ease of use and privacy. Let's talk about Amazon Alexa, a household name in the voice assistant market. Since its launch in 2014, Alexa has transformed how people interact with their homes. Equipped with advanced natural language processing, Alexa doesn't just respond to commands, it engages in conversations, creating a user-friendly, interactive experience. One of Alexa's standout features is its extensive skills library. With over 100,000 skills, users can customize Alexa to suit their specific needs, from playing music to providing recipes, and even ordering groceries. Alexa's skills are essentially apps, but for voice. This means you can tailor your Alexa experience to fit exactly what you need. In terms of smart home management, Alexa is a leader, supporting a vast range of devices and offering exceptional integration with Amazon's ecosystem. Imagine asking Alexa to turn off the lights, adjust the thermostat, or lock the doors. Plus, Alexa offers emergency assistance capabilities, a valuable feature for those seeking added security in their home. Alexa's appeal is also due to its ability to add personality to interactions. Amazon has introduced character personas, so now you can talk to Alexa with different voices or styles, making it more engaging and personal. With nearly 2/3 of the U.S. market share, Alexa remains the go-to choice for smart home enthusiasts and those who want a deeply integrated, customizable assistant. Finally, we have Google Assistant, a powerful virtual assistant that has set the standard since its release in 2016. Google Assistant boasts over 1 billion device integrations, from Android phones to Google Nest speakers, making it one of the most widely accessible assistants worldwide. One of Google Assistant's key strengths is its conversational capability. It's not just about executing commands, it understands context, maintains conversations, and provides accurate, relevant responses based on user queries. With features like proactive notifications and seamless integration with Google services like Maps, Calendar, and Search, Google Assistant is highly versatile. The duplex feature is a standout, allowing Google Assistant to handle complex tasks autonomously. Need to book a table at a restaurant? Google Assistant can do it for you, even interacting with the person on the other end in a natural way. Google Assistant's smart home control capabilities are second to none, supporting over 30,000 compatible devices. It also offers personalized responses and reminders based on user behavior, making it feel more like a personal assistant than a digital tool. Recent updates have expanded its functionality into healthcare inquiries, so it can answer health-related questions with more accuracy. If you're looking for a robust, intuitive assistant, that works across multiple platforms, Google Assistant is a powerful choice. With its advanced natural language processing and continuous improvements, Google Assistant remains at the forefront of the virtual assistant market. Each of these virtual assistants has its strengths and caters to different types of users. Samsung Bixby excels in Samsung's ecosystem. Cortana remains a reliable productivity tool within Microsoft. Siri offers unmatched privacy within Apple's ecosystem. Alexa leads in smart home automation, and Google Assistant dominates in context-aware conversational AI. Thanks for tuning into Tech Trends Central. If this review sparked your tech curiosity, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay connected with the latest trends and innovations. Have a gadget or gear in mind? Share it in the comments, and I'll get it on the radar. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve and keep riding the tech wave with Tech Trends Central.